Take your dealership to the next level with the strongest team in automotive media. Over 8 million total video views and over 4 billion total impressions. CBT News, dealers' most trusted source for news, content, and analysis. Welcome to CBT News with Cheyenne Malone.
Good Monday morning to you. I'm Cheyenne Malone. Welcome back to CBT News. Here's today's top stories.
UAW leader Kevin Gotinsky has called for Stellantis CEO to step down, criticizing his handling of layoffs and the delayed reopening of the Belvidere assembly plant in Illinois. Gotinsky, echoing UAW President Shawn Fain, expressed doubts about Tavares' leadership following the company's decision to postpone the plant's reopening, despite union claims that the move violates their national contract. Stellantis has defended its actions, citing market conditions while warning any strike would be met with legal challenges. The BidenHarris administration is set to finalize steep tariff increases on Chinese imports, including a quadrupling of tariffs on electric vehicles and significant hikes on semiconductors, solar cells, and lithium-ion batteries. U.S. manufacturers, from EV producers to port authorities, are pushing for these tariffs to be reduced, delayed, or exempted, citing potential economic strain. The decision, expected by the end of August, is politically sensitive as it could impact the ongoing U.S.-China trade tensions and the upcoming U.S. election, with China threatening retaliation. Tesla is reviving its owner referral program, offering significant incentives to boost participation. New buyers using a referral code can now get $1,000 off a Model S, Model X, Model Y, or Model 3, while the referrer receives $500 in credit applicable to any Tesla product, including vehicles. The return to substantial incentives reflects Tesla's renewed focus on driving demand through customer referrals. A fire erupted in the parking lot of Rivian's electric vehicle factory in Normal, Illinois, damaging over 50 R1S and R1T models awaiting shipment. The Normal Fire Department responded just before 9:45 p.m. on Saturday, successfully extinguishing the blaze by midnight. The factory itself, which produces all of Rivian's current models, was unaffected. No injuries were reported, and the cause of the fire remains under investigation. This incident follows a recent fire involving Rivian delivery vans in Houston, highlighting the unique challenges posed by electric vehicle fires. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back with Brian Moss, the president of the California New Car Dealer Association, to get an update on some of the key takeaways from their Q2 Auto Outlook report.
Take your dealership to the next level with the strongest team in automotive media. Over 8 million total video views and over 4 billion total impressions. CBT News, dealers' most trusted source for news, content, and analysis.
So what does the shift tell us about changing consumer preferences in the state? What is it, because of the plethora of other EVs available?
Yeah, I think there's a lot more choice available to consumers. Most of the OEMs that our franchise dealers represent have electrified or fully battery electric vehicles available. There's fuel cell vehicles. There's a lot more choice in the marketplace than there has been in the past. And to be honest, Tesla's vehicles are getting a little old.
Yeah.
You know, the Model 3 and the Model Y haven't substantially changed since they were introduced. And their OEM competitors are constantly rebranding, refreshing their vehicle offerings. And the people who bought Teslas already bought them. So I think you're seeing that reflected in the sales numbers.
That's a good point.
Well, that does it for us for today. But remember, it is easy to stay up to date with the most recent news and trends influencing the retail automotive industry. All you have to do is follow us. We're on TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, and X, formerly known as Twitter. That does it for now. I'm Cheyenne Malone. Thanks so much for watching. You have a good one.
CBT News, your #1 resource for auto industry news and content.